Bro, look at these turkeys.
Turkeys.
They're turkeys.
Those things look like dodo birds.
Yes, they do. Look at the wings.
Imagine flying in the car. Open the window. Close the window. Something's dead? Or they just came for a drink?
Probably a drink. I don't know. Gotta be something over there.
What are they scared of?
They don't want to be startled.
Here's the wild. We're embarrassing him. We're embarrassing him. Like, you open the window. Close the window. We're embarrassing him.
Wow. Up close and personal. They're actually beautiful.
I mean, run to them.
I
just want to know.
If you run to them?
Yeah.
You're not running to them. They're going to run to you.
Are they scared of animals? Because since they eat dead animals, are they scared of them?
Should have had some crackers or something.
Oh, I got these. Water, 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 water.
Oh my God.
I scared.
Huge.
Those things look like they can fight eagles.